check this out. I already started this seat and I figured this would be a good example as we're doing different styles and we're doing different videos showing like backed, unbacked, and all the seams that we're doing and the crazy butt seams and all that stuff. We're gonna show you what it's like to do top stitching, decorative top stitching on unbacked material. And this is also an unbacked suede. As if you watch some of our other videos, you'll know that I personally like backed materials with like a 1/4 inch sew foam, some seats with 1/2 inch sew foams. And this one we're gonna do 0 sew foam and let you decide what you think. So I already went through and patterned this all out. We're gonna start transferring some of our other patterns and sew it together and put it together and let you see what it looks like. Let's sew this together, then we'll test fit it, and then we'll do the bottom of the seat. Test fit it and see if we are going to like it on here. This is just the back piece now. Okay, we have the seat cover all sewn up. Now we're gonna test fit it, put it on, pull it tight, pin it, and we'll mark around the bottom and make the bottom upholstery for it. All right, so we got this seat pinned roughly. Now I'm gonna go through and mark all my edges. We'll trim it, and then we're gonna make a cover for the bottom, and we'll stitch it all together, and then we can put it together and see how it looks to have a seat with no sew foam on it and cosmetic top stitches. So you can see what I did is on the bottom here, I just went around and just marked it all the way around here. Now I'm gonna go through and sew it around that edge, and then we'll trim it and make our bottom pieces. Okay, so you can see I sewed the bottom on there. I put a top stitch on it. Now we're going to install the cover onto the foam and hopefully it looks really good. We just finished up the streamlined seat. This was a custom seat made specifically for a specific rider's height, weight, and riding style. We did do it in our traditional streamline extreme with imitation leather and an Alcantara outdoor suede. Very cool looking seat. The pictures never do suede justice in real life. It's such a nice, soft addition to a seat, and it has a nice contrast with the textures. It's just really nice. So if you are interested in these seats, we will put a link in the description below that will tell you where you can go to purchase these seats because they are cool seats. Again, these are not per se touring seats. They are very comfortable seats. They're cool seats. They look great on the bike. They let you sit down, low, and further back, which is an awesome option. If you're looking for a touring seat and you wanna ride like 10, 12 hours, then you get a bigger seat that's gonna be higher and push you back a little bit with a little more foam. These are specifically made to lower you, look cool, and be comfortable. Thanks.